where four-wheel drive is either, because
She's looking for it. Oh my.
I don't want to get out
Now,
of
this is
tune
probably
now.
one of those they would have marked off to say y'all can't go on. They
Yeah.
didn't. She highlighted it. Oh, more people. Oh no.
Get off on the side right here.
I think they're
They
moving
getting off.
over. The girls are yelling.
The girls are
Okay, they're
hollering.
letting us go. Think about this, Shins. It's alright. Raj,
Huh? Oh, I love it. It's
That's what it's
awesome.
all about right here.
Mary,
I mean,
I
Oh,
haven't
yeah.
seen you yet on the camera.
Yeah, I'm having a good time.
Okay.
Want to drive coming down?
that's fun.
Well, what'd you think about that? Scary but fun. Good. Your dad was worried you weren't having fun with the rocks and the incline.
I don't know. That thing would have had to go a long way to get up here. This is what I like.
Oh man.
Arkansas.
Wow. Worth the
I
hike.
told y'all this.
This is beautiful.
This is worth it right here.
Thank you.
It's a great
Brennan,
picture
get
place.
down here.
Man, I wonder what mountain that is over there.
Oh, I feel another dude photo coming on.
Several mountains right there.
here.
Oh yeah. We don't have Gary in the way
We can
either.
get the girls to get a picture of the four of us.
Oh yeah, we do need a good one. We need a good couple of photos.
It's absolutely gorgeous up here.
Alright, ready? Okay, I got one.
Good.
Wait, I wanna do one.
For so long.
Wait, I want to do one.
Huh? Oh, you gonna do it with
Do it with the GoPro. Hold on.
Got to stand over there. I can't turn that. Hey, I want to see.
That's so silly.
The brakes don't work on this thing right here. Yeah, she's going to the right. Yeah, she's just going to follow his line. one now, heading down to some swimming holes.
Swimming hole.
Big Rock swimming hole and baptism hole.
Oh, we get to go get baptized.
Big Rock swimming hole and baptism hole.
I'm not scared. I'm scared of stuff I don't know.
Okay, guys.
Okay, guys. Not really so scary.
Yeah, after we cross over.
Oh, you want to go fast?
On the water part.
Oh, okay. Rusted Oak River. Oh, yeah.
I wonder if we park there and if there's access to it. Oh yeah, we can park there and go down to it. Yeah, we need to back up, park back there.
Oh, we want to turn around and go back?
I think that's how you get access to it back
There's
there.
the Rusted River.
Okay, guys.
Ooh, yeah, that looks nice.
Ah,
Dang me.
I see a big hole coming up too. Water hole.
Oh, you want me to go fast through it? Or?
Not that fast. Hoping it's not too deep.
Oh, I'm sure it's fine. This is rock bottom.
I just hope there's a place for us to turn around and this thing.
Go for it.
Go for it. Stacy says go for it. Here we go.
Okay, move out of the way so Brendan can do it.
Brenda's probably going to go around it. Or actually, that's Avery. Oh, they went to it too. Avery, go for it, girl.
There's some big rocks over there on the right in the creek.
Oh, in the creek?
Yeah.
Oh, for like photo ops and stuff?
Yeah, maybe so. And
Oh, we can
All right.
frolic in the stream.
so we found a little
The rocky
trail off the trail to come down here
Frolic in
and
the stream.
frolic in the stream. Down here.
Oop, what's that? Is that a bee or? I didn't want to get too close to him.
Good.
We're going. This is so worth it.
I'm
Oh
pretty.
my goodness.
I'm pretty sure I asked you if you wanted to bring them. Oh.
Oh, they're down there. They
all
went.
up and down. It goes like
Oh wow, they're in a pretty deep hole down there.
Stacy's driving the Razor.
it needed more.
No. Oh, great. Yeah. Nice.
Yeah.
What's the thing?
Ew, so far so good. Let's see.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
Can't see anything in that.
Is that better? I think the girls had it adjusted for them.
Yeah. Look at it themselves.
Do that again. You got sideways. That was awesome.
That's more like the fun I was
Yeah. You gotta get wet though.
I love it.
That's more
Oh man, I missed it. So we pulled over at Sugar Creek Vista Overlook. Stacy and I were riding the Razor. Roger and Jennifer had the
How was she liking it?
Kawasaki. Dude,
She took it.
she had a
taking
blast.
a like
Yes.
to it. You like it, Stace?
Yeah,
That's something
that was
you can
fun.
see yourself
Oh,
getting.
yeah.
Man, she hit the throttle real hard a couple times. She goes, "This is what it's all about."
Yeah, baby.
Different places. Yeah, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I can count 7.
Wait, what are we looking at?
He said there's an area where you can see, and I think this is it. The 7th ridge up is Oklahoma.
Oh,
Seriously?
really?
Wow.
If you look, there's this one and then there's one that looks like part of this, but I bet that's 2, and then 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
A
So,
little bitty one in the
oh, I see it
bottom.
way. Yeah, yeah.
That's what he was saying. We're like, I mean,
That's
there-
Oklahoma.
While he was leave our friends behind. Are you having fun?
Oh yeah.
Do it again. Woo!
So we may be forced to test something. Oh gosh. We get stuck, we're blaming Jen. But I don't think we'll get stuck. Because this is all pretty rocky.
Don't stop.
Go for it. Go for it.
Wheeling them? Yep.
Yeah, I think that's
There it is.
Here we go. Yeah, we go over it. Yes.
Oh, hey, let me get out and film the girls.
I got it. I got them.
Don't pull the middle side.
Oh crap! I didn't know he jumped up. I turned around and he's gone. I turned around and you were gone. I was taking off.
Did you get hurt?
You were like, "Go pull the Millers," and I was like, "Okay, I'm out of here."
I got that on video.
Good.
What's this heel right there?
I don't know.
Oh no! Oh Lord! We go over that?
No, I think we go left. That looks like that's missed and not. Well, let me see where. I think
They
that's
just had
That was done on purpose.
I think we gotta go that way.
But is this really a thing,
This doesn't
y'all?
even look like a trail. I mean, it's a trail, but it doesn't look like it's
Not
one
very
for-
well traveled.
Not for
Stacy,
us.
where are we on your
We did our best to make sure Jen got what she wanted, which was the Shady Grove Falls.
Roger, and it's not.